Whether you're rebooting or resetting your iRobot Roomba, it can help correct many frustrating issues that keep the robot from cleaning as it should. A reboot may help if your Roomba is experiencing Wi-Fi issues, isn't charging properly, or has an error message you need to clear. When rebooting your Roomba, it won't lose any data or information, including maps, schedules, and cleaning preferences. The process for rebooting a Roomba is similar across models, but you'll need to know the exact procedure for your model to ensure that it successfully reboots. Depending on your iRobot, you'll want to press the Clean or Home button for between 10 to 20 seconds, and once you hear the chime or see the ring light up, you've rebooted your Roomba. For more serious issues with your Roomba, you can do a factory reset through the iRobot app. Resetting a Roomba from the iRobot Home app is also known as a hard reset because it deletes all your personal data and settings from the vacuum. Make sure that your iRobot Roomba is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your mobile device uses. Go to your Roomba's product settings and at the bottom of the screen, choose Remove Device from Account. If your robot has created an imprint smart map, you'll have the option to save the map before you reset the Roomba. That prevents the robot from having to relearn your home after the reset. Each model is different, so you'll want to refer to your manual. Always start with a reboot because it won't affect your Roomba's data or settings. However, if all your other troubleshooting efforts have failed, a factory reset may be able to get your Roomba going again. Let us know what you think of these great tips to reset or reboot your iRobot Roomba in the comments below, and give us a like, share, and don't forget to follow for the best products from bestreviews.com.